In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on or turn off flash on your iPhone camera. That's quite simple and easy, so let's begin. Let me open camera and show you how it works. For example, first I'll show you on photo mode. Here at the top left I see the flash icon, and that icon means that now flash is auto. I can tap on that and now flash is on. So how to make the flash always on no matter what will happen? For that, tap on that button right here, and there the very left option is flash. I'll select that. Here I got auto on or flash off option. I can tap it on and now my flashlight will be always on while I'm making a photo. Let me show you. You see the flash beside my phone, and now I can go back and here set this option to auto, and now you see that there are no flash beside my phone. So next I'll switch to video mode, and there I see at the top left the flash option. There are two different kind of options. Not three like in photo. It's auto mode and it's always off. Now it's off, and if I make auto mode I can begin creating video. Now you see that there are no flash beside the phone, and if I will hide the camera to make the dark to simulate the dark room, you see that that icon becomes red because there is too dark. And if I take my phone, you see that the icon becomes white again. Look, here it is. Now if I will record video, the flashlight will be on. I hope it helps you, so before you go, please like and subscribe.